Hey there, Dr. Raoul here and welcome to some quick medical myth busting. Today we're discussing, does mewing actually work? Now first of all, mewing is a claimed do-it-yourself facial restructuring technique involving tongue placement and is named after the British orthodontist Mike Mew. It has been around for many years and it is used by orthodontists worldwide to define jaw structure, correct speech impediments and potentially alleviate pain from jaw-related issues. To correctly mew, you should be flattening out your tongue against the roof of your mouth, including the back of your tongue. Which brings us to the actual answer of the question, does mewing actually work to define your jaw structure? Well, the answer is, there seems to be very little evidence to support this claim. And while not inherently dangerous, you will be practicing it a lot and you can expect little to no results. Now I hope you enjoyed this medical myth busting. Please leave a like and click the subscribe button down there. And I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye bye.